Quick tips if ICE or the police stop you. If ICE or the police stop you and they start asking about your citizenship, remain silent. That's the single most important right that you're going to exercise throughout any scenario with ICE or the police. You don't have to answer any questions regarding your citizenship. If they ask you for your identification and you have that identification, you can give that identification to them, but don't answer any questions and continue to exercise your right to remain silent about that identification. Of course, don't give any false or fake documentation. If they insist on asking you questions, make sure that you respond every time clearly and loudly with, "I would like to exercise my right to remain silent." If they detain you and ask you to sign documents, make sure that you refuse to sign those documents and ask for a lawyer. You have a right to a lawyer. They may not be able to provide a lawyer for you, but as long as you express that you want your lawyer present, they can't force you to sign anything. As always, even if you're detained, you are not obligated to say anything, so remain silent. So remember, stay calm, stay silent, and exercise your rights. Share this video to keep your community informed.